Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is class 10th math, and we have been discussing this AP from last some days. Now question number up to question number 15 we have already attempted. Now question number 16 reads, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. We have to find the AP. We have to construct an AP. We have to form an AP whose third term is 16. Yes, third term is 16. Third term means A plus 2D is equivalent to 16. And 16th term, third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That is, seventh term is 12 more than fifth term. 12 more means A 5 plus 12. Fifth term plus 12. So A7, now your seventh term, you know this is A plus 6D is equal to A plus, fifth term is A plus 4D plus 12. Now this is our equation first. A and A will cancel. We are left with 6D minus 4D is equivalent to 12. This is 2D is equal to 12. What is D? D is 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. So our D is equivalent to, this is the common difference. D is 6. So D is 6. Now putting the value of D in equation first. Putting the value of D in equation first. What is our equation first? Is A plus 2 into D. D is 6 is equivalent to 16. So this A plus 12 is equal to 16. What is our A? It is 16 minus 12. So A is equal to 4. Now once you know A and D, we know what is A. A is 4 now and D is 6. Now you can construct an AP. Simple. Now what is the AP? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. This is our AP. So A is 4 comma 4 plus D. What is D here? It is 6. Comma A is 4 plus 2D, 2 into 6, comma A is 4 plus 3 into 6. So this is 4, this is 10, this is 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. This is our AP, 4, so on. 4, comma 10, comma 16, comma 22, this is an AP. So once you know A and D, you can form an AP. This is so simple now. Now let me repeat this. Third term is given. Third term is 16. Third term we know that it is A plus 2D. So A plus 2D is equal to 16. Name this equation first. Now seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Seventh term you know it is A plus 16. Exceeds means it is more than 12. It is A 5 plus 12. So A 5, fifth term is A plus 4D plus 12. A and A will get cancelled. We are left with 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So 2D is equal to 12. D is 12 by 2, that is 6. Now putting the value of D in equation first, we find this A is equal to 4. Now we can form this AP. So this is how it goes. This was question number 15 of your exercise. Now question number 16 reads, now question number 16 is find the 20th term from the last term. So what is AP here? It is 3, 8, 13, so on. This is 2, 5, 3. We have to find the 20th term from the last term. Let us write this AP like this: 2, 5, 3 from the last term. Then what is the common difference? Is 8. So this will be 248 minus 5. Minus 5 is 243. Minus 5 is 238. So this will be an AP. We reverse it. We write the last term first. Then proceeding, as soon as the common difference is 5, then we proceed like this. Minus 5 it is. It is minus 5. So this is 253, then it will be 248 minus 5, and then it will be 243, then 238 here. What is A? It is 253. What is D here? It is 248 minus 253. This is minus 5. Now we have to find, we know the A and D. So this was our requirement, A and D. Once you know A and D, you can find any term. You can construct any kind of AP. So here we go. Now we have to find 20th term, A20. This is, you know, this is A plus 19D. A here is 253 plus 19 into 5. What is that? It is minus 5. So 253 plus minus minus 5. 9s are 45. It's 95. So 253 minus 95. 253 minus 95. 8. It's 158. So this is 20th term is 158. This is how it goes. So simple. We have to find the 20th term from the last term. We reverse this AP from the last term. We write first this 253, then common difference is obviously 5. Then we will separate 5. This will be 248, 240, so on. This will be our AP. Now this is A, this is D, and this is how it goes. This 20th term. Now this was question number 17. It was question number 16, and this is now question number 17. Now question number 18 reads, the sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is equal to 24. Sum of 4th and 8th term, that is A4 plus A8, is equal to 24. And you know what is A4? Sum of 4th term and 8th term is equal to 24. So what is A4? What is the 4th term? It is A plus 3D, A plus 3D plus A plus 7D. This is 8th term is A plus 7D is equal to 24. This is 2A plus 7 plus 3 is 10D is equal to 24. If we take 2 common, this is A plus 5D is equal to, from this 24, this will be 12 here. So 2 and 2 will go. A plus 5D is equal to 12. This is our equation first. Now second condition is, and the sum of 6th and 10th term. Now 6th and 10th term, that is A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. We'll proceed. A6 is A plus 5D, 6th term, plus A 10th term is A plus 9D. You know it, is equal to 44. Now 2A plus 95 plus 14D is equal to 44. Taking again 2 common, we are left with A plus 7D, 22. That's A plus 7D is equal to 22. This is equation number second. Now let us solve these linear equations by elimination method. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Second equation is A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now subtracting, this is minus minus minus. A and A will cancel. This is minus 2D is equal to minus 10. Minus and minus will go. What is D? D is equal to 10 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So our D is equal to 5. Now we will find A. Putting the value of D in first. Putting, as you solve the linear equation by elimination method, that is what we are doing here. Putting the value of D in equation first. What is our equation first? It is A plus 5 into D. What is D here? It is 5 again. Is equal to 12. So A plus 25 is equal to 12. What is A? A is 12 minus 25. So A is equivalent minus 13. So A is equal to minus 13. Now we have to find the first 3 terms of AP. Now let us form an AP, first 3 terms. This is A is first term, A plus D is second term, and A plus 2D is third term. Now what is A? A is minus 13. comma, this is minus 13 plus d is 5. This is minus 13 plus 2 into d is 5. This is minus 13, this is minus 8, and this is minus 3. These are the three terms of an AP. So this was question number 18. Now 19 and 20, last two questions of the exercise. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of 200 each year, in which year he did his income will reach 7,000. So Subbarao starts his annual salary is 5,000 and receives an increment every year 200. So what will be the AP when he will reach to 7,000? So he starts his salary 5,000. Then after 1 year he receives an increment of 200. That will be 5200, and then it will be 5400. So on. Last term is 7,000. When he is going to reach the 7,000, in how many years he will reach 7,000? Now first his salary is 5,000. Then you will add his annual increment, that's 200. Obviously it will become 5,200, the 5,200. Then it will become 5,400 in the next year, so on. And we have to find when he is going to reach this 7,000. Here, what is A here? A is equal to 5,000. And what is D? D is 5200 minus 5,000. Obviously this is 200. So this is the increment, this is D. And AN is equal to 7,000. What is AN? This is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 7,000. You already know it, AN. So this A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D? Our D is 200 is equal to 7,000. So N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. So N minus 1 into this 200 is equal to 2,000. What is N minus 1? This is equal to 2,000 divided by 200. Two zeros will go to 10s are 20. So N minus 1 is equal to 10. What is N? N is equal to 10 plus 1. So N is equal to 11. That is, after 11 years, his salary will be 7,000. So very simple. This is our AP, his annual salary. Starting salary was 5,000. Then he receives 200 as an increment per year. Obviously, what will be his salary in the next year? It will be 5,200. And in the next year, it will be 5,400. So on. And he finally reaches to 7,000. We have to find when he, after how many years he will reach 7,000. Now here A is equal to 5,000 and D is 200. And AN is equal to this 7,000. And N, we calculate it is now 11. So after 11 years, his salary will be 7,000. That is, he started his work in 1995. Obviously, after 11 years, that is 2006. When he started salary in 1995, and after 11 years, that is 2006. After 2006, his salary will be this 7,000. So this was question number 19. Now the last question of this exercise is Ramkali saved 5 in the first week of the year, and then increased her weekly savings by 1.75, and in the nth week her savings become 20 rupees 20.75 paisa. Now see, what will be his in the first week she saves for rupees 5, then she saves 1.75 more. Similarly, in the third week she saves again 1.75. No, sorry. Ramkali saves 5 for the first week and increases his salary by saving 1.75. Yes. Now for the first week, this will give 5, and for the second week 5 plus 1.75, it will be 6.75. So it will be 6.75. Again you will add this one 6.75 to 1.75. This is 8.50. So 8.50 after 3 weeks. Again you will add this 1.75. So this will be 10.25, 10.25, so on, so on, so on. We have to find when she is going to reach this 20.75, in how many weeks. So here again an is our 20.75. In how many weeks we have to find this. Now 20.75, find n. Here we go, this is a is the 5. So d is 6.75 minus 5, again is 1.75. So what is our a n is 20.75. Again you will proceed in the likewise manner. This a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 20.75. So a, what is a? It is 5. 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75 is equal to 20.75. So n minus 1 into 1.75 is equal to 20.75. So n minus 1 into 1.75 is equal to this minus 5. So this 5 will be shifted to the right hand side, it will become minus, so it is 15.75. So what is n minus 1? It will be 15.75 divided by 1.75. So n minus 1, yes, this is n minus 1 is equal to 1s are 9s are. So this is 9. N minus 1 is equal to 9. So n is equal to 9 plus 1. What is n? It is 10. So after 10 weeks, her savings will be 20.75. And with this we completed the exercise. Inshallah tomorrow we should take up this last exercise of this AP, and we have to find sum there. Sn, sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Inshallah from tomorrow we should discuss this sum of n terms. Till then, Allah Hafiz.